This is Baljit and I brought one of the best video for iPhone users. If you are using iPhone, then this video going to be perfect for you. How you can control your iPhone without touching, just with the hands-free voice control. How many times we have a chance like that? Your hands are dirty, your hands are wet, you don't want to touch your phone, or you cannot reach to your phone. How you can control your phone without touching? I know maybe you're thinking I'm going to talk about Siri, but no, that is totally different. It's on the latest iOS software. They have added voice control. So what simply you need to do, you need to go to your setting. Inside the setting, you need to find accessibility over here. Accessibility, we're gonna find voice control. Like here, we're gonna click on voice control. We're gonna hear a little cursor. We're gonna move to the side and it will go green. So now our voice control is ready to use. You see microphone here. Now I'm gonna say anything to my phone, it will do for me. One thing you have to do, you have to unlock your phone to use voice control. I say open YouTube. It will open for me. What happens if you want to go back? Go home. Open maps. Go home. Open settings. Go home. Now you can use your phone just without touching, just with voice control. You can also do one more thing. If you slide from the top here, you will see there's only a couple things over here that's called control center. How you can bring anything like voice control or something here and your control center to easy access. Simply go again with the setting. Inside the setting, you need to find control center. Inside the control center, customize controls. Customize control, you find anything like I have a red over here. Everything is up here over there. Now we're gonna find a voice control over here. I'm gonna just press plus sign at the front. If you see it goes on the top, I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna slide from the top. You will see voice control over here. So that's the way you can control your phone with just voice. You don't need to say hey Siri or something we used to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.